All right, what's up, everybody? Hope you guys had a good day. Had a good trading day, followed your rules and everything like that. Before we get to the breakdown, if you like these videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. I have the Discord link in the description if you'd like to, speak to other people that are like-minded. We critique each other. We have calls every Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. About preparation for the markets, your mindset, and different topics every week that I host calls for on Tuesdays. And then the other calls are on Thursdays and Sundays. But yeah, please join. We'd love to have you. But let's go ahead and get into it. So today was a pretty straightforward day, very clean day concerning price action and the trade that I got to take, that I had the opportunity to take. I came into the day with a long bias, just as on the daily time frame, we're breaking back to the upside. On the 4 hour, we're trending to the upside, and on the 1 hour, we're trending to the upside. So bullish correlation on all of those three time frames gives me no reason to look to go bearish, as I'll just be trying to fight the trend, and that does not work in my favor probability wise or profitability wise and mentally. So just going to follow the trend. Came into the day initially looking to see price come and rebalance some of this 4 hour candle here, but I did not see that happening, as when the 10 o'clock candle opened, or this 1 hour candle, this 9 o'clock 1 hour candle. Once the 10 o'clock hour candle opened and the 4 hour candle opened, I had, accepted the fact that we may not come and rebalance this and get entry on the 15 or 5 minute time frame, that we can build some type of like type B or type C entry off of. So that my solution to that is to go to the lower time frame and possibly be open to a continuation trade. Whereas on the 15 minute, saw this here, which kind of lined up with the 1 hour that we were looking at prior on the higher time frame. So I kind of took this out of consideration, went even lower down to the 5 minute time frame, and identified this imbalance here that price had been struggling to come back into. But I knew that if price was to come back in here, we would either get an opportunity to go long that I'd be willing to take, or we would just blow right through it. And I was willing to take the risk to go long for that continuation. I didn't see price just totally reversing. And if that happened, like I said, I was willing to take the risk and take the loss on it. But so what happened was price comes up, creates the imbalance, breaks the structure to the upside, gives us an opportunity to continue higher by way of a type C entry, where there's this low that's put in on the 5 and the 1 minute time frames on NQ and ES. And on NQ, it takes the low, so it sweeps the low here at 10:30. It didn't on ES, so price was up here on ES, and that created a bullish divergence for me to possibly take a type C entry off of. So once I saw this take place in print like this, I went down to the 1 minute time frame and was looking for any type of bearish imbalance to see if it would get broken. Looking at this bearish imbalance here. Once it got broken to the upside, usually I don't take this because it's so far away from the disrespected imbalance. I then switch into thinking, okay, I would like to see price come in, retest it as somewhat form of a support. There's also a gap here, and then continue to the upside for that 2R. And that's exactly what happened. So very straightforward trade today. Took this long, and it was very clean. Price reached 1-to-1 very quickly, so I was able to move my stops into break even, take the risk off the trade, and then just let it run to a 2R. I ended up running all the way up here, whereas the way that I used to trade, I would have definitely had my TP up here if it would have been around a 1-to-4, close to 1-to-4 trade. But I'm capping my risk at a 1-to-2R mainly because that keeps me grounded. That keeps me from looking at trading like how big can I hit for, instead of how consistent can I be with my daily inputs. It was a good trade. I would say it was a good day. Very good decision making, I think, on my part. Very clear decision making on my part, to stick with the trend, and look at the time frame correlation, and then look for an opportunity to continue that trend without hoping for like a super huge pullback that we ended up not getting. So very good day, very good trade. I would say that I'm proud of the decision making that I had. But yeah, back at it tomorrow. Just gonna wipe the win from my mind, today, going to tomorrow with a clean slate. I might not even trade tomorrow because I won on Wednesday and I won today. So winning 2 days in a row can somewhat blow your head up to thinking that you're gonna just be winning a trade every single day, which is not the case. So I may not trade at all tomorrow, but I'll still be active on the charts. I'll still be looking. I'll still be active in the group as usual. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I have the Discord description in the Discord link in the description below. Sorry. So yeah, go ahead and please join that. Yeah, you guys have a blessed night. I'll talk to you later.